看这个。
which in my hand there is a wish card which says to my family, be happy, be healthier, and Merry Christmas together forever. Yes. 谢谢。Yes, some of my colleagues write the wishes on it. It says on the Christmas card, which is to my family, be happy, be healthy, and Merry Christmas together forever. Now, next welcome my colleague Early to say something to you. Now let's welcome Early. Yes. Today is Christmas Eve. Do you have any wishes? No, not only write on your wish cards. Could you please say something to our watchers or to our customers? Like a symbol, like the Merry Christmas or so on.
Merry Christmas, and hope you be healthy and be richer.
Okay. It is a kindness wishes, so that Early wish you will earn more money and be more healthy, be more happier than the 2021. So that EB channel will also be very appreciated that can be cooperate with you together for the next 2022. So next I would like to show you another ISO certificate to you. So that as you see in my hand is called the Environmental Management System Certificate. It's also presented to our company with internal beliefs and law in casting and forging company limited. And this certificate is also very important to any companies which need to pass the on-site assessment, comply with GBT 24001-2016. It also called the ISO 14001-2015 requirements. And this certificate is valid for the following scope: the supply of alloy castings and forgings. And the next is the last ISO certificate which EV China owned, which called the Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certificate, which presented to our Wuxi Internal Beliefs and Law in Casting and Forging Company Limited. And this Occupational Health and Safety Management System complies with the GBT 45001-2020. It also called the ISO 14001-2018 requirements. And the certificate is valid for the following scopes: the supply of alloy castings and forgings, and so on. As you know, EB China is not only a company which supply of high alloy castings and forgings, and EB China will also devote ourselves to do to innovations on new patents about the new products. So for now, totally EB China owns more than 22 patents with different applications in different industries. For example, like one of the patents which called the bottleless liners. In these patents, it means that you will not need to pay for the boats which you need to make up your liners to your mobile machines, so that it will help you reduce your cost and will give you a little profit by the bottleless liners. And we have innovate bomb machines which applicate in these patents. In one of the Chinese foundries, which called the Tianjin Zhenxing Cement Foundries, They have applied our new design for my machines with lossless liners more than 4 years, and during recent 4 years, it works very well, and it will have no problems when it works. And totally, after we organize that, it have totally helps them reduce the cost more than 10,000 per year just for these patents. And we also have other patents which called ceramic liners. It's also liners which applied in the bomber machines, but EB China choose different materials. Instead of the traditional, it uses all the arrows. These ceramic liners use the new materials. This ceramic liners is much lighter, but it can work much longer than the traditional ones. Even the traditional liners can use for 2 years, and our ceramic liners can work more than 3 years. So this is all the patents which some of the patents which applied into the life. And the China have also 4 important part about our products, like the corrosion and loins, like it divided into 4 different parts. Both of depend on the materials different and different applications and different chemical composition, so that it be divided into like the cobalt alloy, the nickel alloy, the titanium alloy, the copper alloy, and the last, which is the aluminum alloy. This material is used very widely in our daily life, so that EB China can produce like the small meat, big and huge castings and forgings, which can produced by your drawings. And after that, EB China is also devote ourselves to produce some heat castings like heat treatment, fixtures, the radio tubes, the melting kitties, the select parts, and the heat treatment bars, or like the heat treatment plants or baskets, and so on. And this product is used very widely in our common heat treatment industries. So this material needs to take over the problems which it needs to face the high temperatures, like the centigrades more than 1,200 centigrades. This is used very widely in the heat treatment industry, so that it will help you to do the best heat treatment for your castings and forgings. And that which is called the wear castings is also divided into different materials, like the high cruning white iron castings, the nickel hard white iron castings, the high magnesium, cobalt alloy castings, and other wear castings like the jaw crusher. The liners just for the jaw crushers. And it is also used very widely. For example, in the jaw crusher machines, like some applied for the jaw crushers, cone crushers, roller crushers, and the hammer crushers. And after that is the first, which is also very important to EB China, which can produce to you, which called the EB machines, like the customer-made selection for material selections and long service life or longer service, and the material selection for the grading requirements, and the heat treatment fabric machines, And as you know, the COVID-19 is very serious to us. It's not good for our here. So that EB channel could also support the mask machines for you, like the 3D Play mask or the K95 mask machines to you. And the last is our common industries, some common industry machines, which called the drying rig machines and so other machines. And the last but not least, is also EV channel which can produce to you, which called the industry robots. So into different applicated, it can be divided into different applications for its use, like the loading, unloading, industry robots, and other industry robots like painting robots, spreading robots, and the last is the cutting robots. So if you are interested in our products, which I told you, like the 4 main parts, please send us your inquiries to our Alibaba International shop. You are always welcome. And as you know, today is Christmas Eve, so if you channel prepare some discount for you, you can find the discount on our Alibaba Internet shop. So you can pick it and to buy our products with a better price. So if you are interested in our products, please send us your inquiries to our Alibaba International shop. You are always welcome. And today, EV channel prepared many different and special activities to you. Just as you see on these Christmas trees, there are many Christmas wish cards which write by my colleague, and I have picked 2 of them to show you our wishes to you and your families. And on today, Christmas Eve, EB channel will also prepare some present. So as you see behind the Christmas trees, which is like the EB electric bicycles and other present as you see on our tables. And today, EB channel will also prepare another live show about the electric bicycles, as you see behind me. And this is 2 of the kind which EB channel produced and would like to be sold to all over the world. And the EB channel will also prepare some special activities to show you where I worked, and EB channel is what kind of the companies to you. And the EB channel is not only a supplier, just a supplier of the high-end castings and forgings. And we also supply of the electric bicycles. And if you are interested, please watch our live show on this afternoon on time. You are always welcome. And my colleague will also prepare some wishes to you. Now, let's welcome my colleague Carl to say some wishes to you. Let's welcome. Good morning, Carl. Do you would like to say something to our customers and send you the best wishes to our customers?
Yes, everyone. Merry Christmas. In the 2022, I wish you a better day and a good development of your company.
Yes, could you ask other colleague just to say his name to allow him to come to our stage to say some wishes as like you to our customers?
My colleague Alice. Yeah. My colleague is very shy.
Yeah. Yes. So could you please ask other colleague to say some wishes to our customers and workers on this special day?
Uh, yes. My good colleague, the Carrie, is a very precious person. Next, I want to invite my colleague Carrie, to have a wishing for you.
Yes, on this special day, Christmas Eve, did you want to say something?
Yeah. First, this is Terry from EB China. I would like to express my best wish. Merry Christmas to everyone. Hope you have a healthy body and wealth in the future.
Yes, as you know, EB China is a supply of high alloy castings and forgings. So, do you want to show some symbols which are on the symbol tables to our customers?
Okay.
Okay. My colleague selects the stainless, bolts, and nuts. He want to say to do some introductions for you. So so Terry, do you know the material of our bolts and nuts?
Of course. This is our main products, both and nuts. From this, we can learn that it has various of signs.
Yes. And these bolts and nuts are also the popular products which EV China produced. So as you see, these bolts just use the materials which called the 2022 and 05. And this is very commonly used in some machines due to its high corrosion resistance and it applicated. So it's also very popular, which earns the sales on our Alibaba International. So thanks, Terry, to selection these products. So next, would you like to ask the other one to do the Christmas wishes?
Of course, next I want to invite my colleague Dina to introduce another products.
Okay, now.
Yes, welcome.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Hello, Bina.
Hello everyone, this is Bina from New China. We should have a Merry Christmas.
And as you know, just about 5 days after the New Year have coming, so did you have other wishes to our customers and workers wish them in the coming 2020?
We should everybody have a success in their business, and we should everybody have a healthy body, and we do hope to cooperate with everyone in 2021.
Yes. Did you want to show other symbols which are on the symbol tables to our customers?
I want to talk about the eye powder.
Okay.
Okay. There is a samples of our products, EV eye powders. Okay, you know, eye powder can be divided into food quality and industry quality. This one is industry quality and it's spherical. So it's 325 mesh. So if you are interested in or EB iron powders, you can email us and send your inquiry to all Alibaba International.
Okay, thanks, spinners. Yes, as you know, EV China can also produce metal powders. So as you see in my hand is one of the kind of our metal powders. And then EV China can also produce like the pure copper powders or the copper alloy powders. These two powders is different. Just you can divide it by its colors. And the EV China can also produce like the nickel powders, the cobalt powders, aluminum powders, and the other metal powders. So if you are interested in our metal powders, please send us your inquiries to our Alibaba International shop. You are always welcome. And let's welcome my colleague Hannah. Hannah to say some Merry Christmas wishes to you. Now let's welcome.
Hello everyone. EV China wishes you a Merry Christmas, and I wish everyone good health and make a lot of money.
Yes. So do you have any product samples you want to show to our customers, which from our sample tables?
Yes. Look at these two samples of the boards.
Yes, it's like the terrorists want to introduce, so that you can see this boast and NARS is very popular sales on our EV channel. So let's please Hannah to introduce more details to you.
The material of these two samples is stainless steel, and we also have carbon steel.
Yes, the carbon steel bolts we can EV channel will also would like to be produced, but in your hand is our bolts with the stainless steels 22 and 5.
Yes, we have stainless steel 304, 312, and 316.
And so many different materials you can select and send us your inquiry to us. Please continue. Yes, EV channel will not only produce like these small balls, and we are also can produce like these huge. As you see, which in my hand is also other balls which EV China produce, but the material is very different. It's not like the stainless steel balls. This material is 40 crownings. So it's used very widely in our liners. So, Anna, would you like to tell more details to our customers or our watchers?
No, thank you.
Okay, now please let me introduce more details to you. Thanks for Hannah's.
Not at all.
Yes, as you know, EV China sports have different grade, like the grade 8.8, the 10.9, or other like more than 12.6. And with different materials, you can selection for different applications. And on this special day, the Christmas Eve, EP channel will also be processed to show you how Chinese people can spend the holidays or the vacations on these special days. Now next, please follow the cameras. I would like to show you which the traditional food which EP China or the Chinese peoples usually to celebrate the holidays. 好的。Now, next, please follow our cameras. I would like to, and the EV channel would like to show you how Chinese people celebrate our holidays. And on this floor, please follow me. Hi, Minna.
Hi.
So, and please follow me. Another rooms our colleagues are prepared for our traditional Chinese food, which called dumplings. Hi, Shirley. Did you want to say some hello to our customers and watchers?
Hello, this is Shelly. Wish you Merry Christmas.
Yes, thanks, Shirley.